Okay, this is the bee smoker. Can't do anything without a bee smoker. When you look in a beehive, you want them to be thinking about something else besides stinging you. When you light up a smoker, puff a little smoke into a beehive, they think, wait a minute, house is on fire, we have to get ready to leave perhaps, so it gets their mind off of you. To light a smoker, here in Central Florida we use pine needles. It lights up pretty easy, and I'll give you a little demonstration of how that works. Pine needles light up pretty easily. They work good, give off a lot of smoke. One of the problems with pine needles is, though, it's a hot fire and they burn up in a hurry, so you run out of fuel. What I like to use to help that out is, it's kind of hard to find, buffalo chip. Buffalo chips are good fuel. Problem with buffalo chips is you can't find them very easily. So you go to a cow pasture and try to find one. That works.